Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I try to access my Instagram Messenger via my Xiaomi Mi 11i Android mobile, but unfortunately it does not show that messenger icon in my newsfeed section. So due to this messenger icon missing, I am not able to send the messages to my Instagram friend. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this messenger icon is not showing up in your Instagram? So my guessing is this is occurs if you clear this Instagram app data in continuously. So anyway, how to get this icon? So very simple method is just one time clear this Instagram app data. But friends, don't worry about it. All your saved photos and videos are very safe. So you can do it. So by simply long press on that Instagram app icon and it shows one pop-up window. So here I try to access app info and then click to clear data. So you can select clear all data. So once you done these processes, just close all the windows. And one more time I try to access my Instagram application. And also click to log in your profile. But again it not showing up that messenger icon. So how to get it? So now in this home page section, you can press your profile picture icon. And it shows my Insta profile. So here you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon. And it shows on drop down menu. So here you can go to settings. So next I try to access privacy settings and finally click to open messages. So once you open it, you can don't change any settings from this section, which means that you can close this Instagram. And after the few seconds, one more time you can open your Instagram application. But friends, now this time you can see this messenger icon is visible. And this is one and only way to get this icon. So for example, one more time I try to clear this Instagram app data. So after I clear this app data and one more time I try to access my Instagram application. But friends, now this time you can see this messenger icon is again missing. So the conclusion of this video is don't try to clear this Instagram app data and this will hide the messenger icon. So remind this one message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.